We as actors, we can just hello, as they say, हम लोग तो रायता फैलाते हैं, समेटना तुम्हारा काम है। आप बहुत टाइम से आप दिखाई नहीं दिए स्क्रीन पे, आप बहुत पिकी हैं ना। I said मैं पिकी नहीं हूँ, सारी फिल्म फ्लॉप हुए हैं। Rehearsals are not allowed for any actor. You cannot. He does not even say action. They don't say action. They don't say cut.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. How are you liking this new way of interacting and interviews locked up inside the house?
I'm okay with staying at home. Most of the time, I'm home only. Other than like when I want to go for a run or if I'm playing sports, and I am an outdoor person like that. If I have some time, which by the grace of God I don't have because I'm working, so let's just hope that I'm always working and I'm outdoors. But other than that, I would play golf in the morning at about 7 o'clock.
People who have loved the show definitely have loved your performance. Has it been overwhelming? Did you sort of comprehend while you were shooting that it would be such a success?
No, I don't think you can ever think that it'll be such a big success. But for me, even more so because it's the first thing I've done that's done well. It's a feeling that I've not had for me personally. It was just great fun, yeah. So I mean, the energy was so positive that I feel that there was a good chance that this would click because I truly believe that a lot of things in life happen with good energy. So, and I think it's a lot of dua from people.
You were sort of, if I can say, central to the whole show. You were always there wherever action happened, and probably somebody who made the action happen at most of the place. But still, there was this eerie silence about your character. How did you sort of channelize yourself into making that happen?
We got into backstories of the characters, what this character will be like, how he'll be. In fact, we used to crack a lot of jokes. The Daulat is like a wall, so he's Wallat. They were calling me Wallet at one point on set. But yeah, see, an actor I always believe is only as good as his director because we as actors, we can just hello, as they say, हम लोग तो रायता फैलाते हैं, समेटना तुम्हारा काम है. तुम्हारा काम मतलब director का काम. But yeah, then after that, when you get a hang of him and then you realize what he is, then we got on to shoot and it was really it was interesting. Most of the time I said, यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, क्या कर रहा हूँ.
What were some of the kind of nuances that you had to put in by yourself as an actor into the character to make it and adapt it as your own?
I mean, for me, I'll tell you honestly, for me it was the toughest role that I've played till now because I didn't have the crutch of a dialogue. I honestly figured out this time that a dialogue is like a crutch. Here I'm just supposed to look and they're saying something and my reaction is just supposed to, I cannot be blank at the same time, If you're not saying anything, you cannot just be blank. There has to be, you're listening to somebody, right? So how will you listen to somebody? That is also something. So I learned something completely new for me. I got to do something completely new, which was a challenge, but at the end of the day, it seems like it paid off. See, I had no idea. I'm like, acha, hu main show mein hu kya? It was like that for a very long time. That am I there in the show? But yeah, I think by the response, I think जो मैं सुन रहा था वो लोगों को समझ में आया कि ये सुन रहा है.
Actors say that a lot of how their work is reflected is in their co-stars' reaction to the scenes.
Yeah,
what
absolutely.
Was it like for you working with Sushmita and the whole cast?
We're not allowed to go there and start अच्छा sir एक rehearsal करते हैं फिर take. Rehearsals are not allowed for any actor. You cannot. He does not even say action. They don't say action. They don't say cut. Okay, it's just okay. Go for it. Whenever you're ready, he'll be like, okay, cameras are rolling. Whenever you're ready, sir. He'll tell us exactly. This is what's going on. This is what is supposed to happen. These are the milestones. They call it milestones. Now, these are the main things that need to come across in the scene. Okay, so and so. So just know these things at the back of your head. And then now go do what you're supposed to do. You know the character, right? Don't ask me. Go. So when you're doing that, there's no rehearsal. So there's no like, Sush is Arya only. So she's going to be Arya only when it starts. So Arya is supposed to do what she's supposed to do and Daulat is supposed to do what he's supposed to do in that. For me, I found that first I'm like, अरे यार ऐसे कैसे करेंगे? But then you just get used to it and then it's just done. Like they finished under budget. They finished before time.
talking about the lockdown, from your Instagram, we know that, I mean, it's quite a proof that you love making videos with your dad.
I don't know. I just suddenly I'm in a crazy mood sometimes, and I'll take my camera out and I'll just go start talking to him. And then he also enjoys it. You see it yourself. You see his banter. You see our banter. We've always been a very chilled out. Not that other people aren't, but we've always been a very liberal and chilled out family. We can talk about anything to each other. Like I can even tell him that it was damn embarrassing that when you did Dil Ka Doctor, I could not go to school for 2 months. I did not feel like going to school for 2 months. I can tell him that. You should have seen that poster. Like I can tell him that and he'll laugh. Like yeah. So and then he'll have that smile because see, he's a man who has a great sense of humor, and people who have a good sense of humor know how to laugh at themselves. That's the beauty of him. He can laugh at himself. He doesn't take himself that seriously, and that's how that's how I've grown up in this house. My mother, my father, and I were completely crazy. We're always taking each other's cases, and it's good fun.
After Sushant Singh Rajput's death, there has been so many, talking points about mental health issues. It's sort of like a pressure, or pressure is too strong a word. They're always under this responsibility to be vocal about...
Why are they? Who are they responsible to? They are not responsible to anyone. That's how people have to live their life. Why are they responsible? I'm a human being, na? Why am I responsible to you? I'm responsible to myself. Max, I'm responsible to my mother and my father. I'm not responsible to you. So people will keep saying, but you are a celebrity, you need to be responsible. Arey, why should I be? But your answer should not be, why should I be responsible? Why should I be responsible, bro? You don't need to engage also. I've been through those phases. I have been through in turmoil in my head. Turmoil has come out, etc. Energy has been a little off energy has come out. When I'm in a positive space, positive stuff has come out. You go through different patches, yeah. You'll go through bitterness, you'll go through feeling low, you'll go through many things. And at those points, naturally, my mind is attuned to, I don't know how, but I just like to look at the positive side of life in a way like, would I rather choose the path of just going down that road? Or would I rather choose the path of like being in a happier place? So for me now also what's nice is that, there have been times I'm like, yaar, uski chali, meri kyun nahi chali? I can act or whatever, this person can't. Then I said, no, I don't know. That's not how I want to think. Naturally, how I want to think is, लोगों के बारे में अच्छा सोचो, उसको पता चले ना पता चले कोई फायदा नहीं. At least I'm doing it for myself. I'm not doing it for another person. I don't need to lie about anything. I can talk about everything openly. A lot of times people used to come and say, अरे आप बहुत picky हैं. आप बहुत टाइम से आप दिखाई नहीं दिए स्क्रीन पे. आप बहुत picky हैं ना. I said मैं picky नहीं हूँ. सारे फिल्म फ्लॉप हुए हैं. तो जब फिल्म फ्लॉप होते हैं तो काम मिलना मुश्किल होता है, बट मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. Suddenly they get shocked. My God, this guy gave an honest answer.
Yeah, I don't think people in the industry can like digest so much of honesty and truthfulness.
But I'm easy. Therefore, I don't have any pressure. There's not one bead of sweat that comes down. I'm like, कुछ भी पूछो मेरे बारे में, कुछ भी पूछो. मैं किसी भी चीज का सवाल दूंगा. अगर मुझे सवाल नहीं देना है, मैं बोलूंगा जवाब नहीं देना है मुझे. कोई भी सवाल करो, जवाब नहीं देना है, नहीं दूंगा मैं बस. Only one thing my mom said before I started work is that, listen, you come from a known family. So the thing is that if you're successful as an actor, there's nothing greater than that. Okay, then you're sorted. But if you fail, your failure will be public. So just remember that. So you need to have a strong heart. That's the only thing I remember my mother telling me.